Bring the bass line.
I'm Robbie Mount. I work for Ram Restoration. I run our Ohio location, Director of Operations, if that's what you want to say. So my favorite type of pizza is New York style pizza. You gotta go with flying pizza. If you want to go the opposite side of New York, you gotta go Jets, right? You get a Jets deep dish pizza with some banana peppers. Day-to-day varies. Every day can be a lot different. It could have its challenges, it could have its craziness. More or less just overseeing full operations from the field to teams and production guys. Overall from estimating to production, getting the jobs done, and keeping hold of all that. Yeah, so I've grown up in this industry. My parents have been entrepreneurs my whole life, so from landscape companies to flipping houses, it's very impressive to see what we've started from just one car and a ladder, and my dad's ambitious to grind it out and do whatever it takes, to building a team and surrounding our team and really supporting our team and growing the people within it to where we are now. We've grown up from when I was 14, 16 years old. That's what we talked about. The dinner table was work, right? And I remember my mom always trying to say, hey, stop talking about business during dinner, and trying to pull that out of it. But as much as you can try to, that is part of the identity of who we are, is the business, right? So I'm the oldest. I have a younger sister that's 5 years below me. We lived on 5 acres of indoor grow garden center greenhouse in Germantown. So it was 75 degrees year round that we got to play in and run around in when I was little. And we had a donkey named Ruru out there when I was little. So that was a very cool experience, riding dirt bikes and whatnot at a young age, and then moving to Centerville, more suburbs later on when I was probably 7, 8 years old there. Yeah, I played football from 4th grade until freshman year. And then I had to make the decision to kind of stick with hockey. I grew up playing hockey since I was 4 years old. So hockey is my main sport. So my wife is Olivia. Met her pre-COVID, right before COVID started. And then we got married about, I'm gonna mess this up, 4 years ago. Yeah, and so it's been awesome. We had Lennon first, and now she just turned 2. And then I got a 9-month-old. So 2 girls. They take a lot of my time up in the evenings now, and they're a great blessing, but I love them and couldn't imagine life without them. I'm proud to be part of this company for what we stand for. I'm proud of our team, and our goal is just to support them and pour into them as much as we can. In all reality, we gotta take care of our people, because if we can't take care of our team inside, we can't take care of our customers that we're serving. All we can do is become better versions of ourselves for them and do the best we can every day for them.